Hey guys, my name's Apple, and today I'm going to a waterfall called Waterfall. That's what I know, I guess. So this is the trail. We're gonna walk approximately, I don't know, 1.2. Wait, what the heck? What the heck? Wow. Eat. Yeah, I passed. Let's go. Now that is insane. Whoever did that. Hello? I hear water noises. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of butterflies and moths. Whoa. There's a butterfly. Never mind. Scoop. Aha. Aha. I see a waterfall. So that waterfall is apparently not the one we're going to. It's called Waterfall. Yeah, it's small because it's dry. It hasn't been summer yet. It's dry, so it has little water. Okay, so my aunt was a bit wrong. That waterfall I just showed you was Waterfall, and over there somewhere is Waterfall. Then even further down, which is like, which we need to hike about 1 kilometer down, is Let's go. That is Waterfall. Jesus Christ. How small is that? Look how small it is. So yeah, we walked down this trail. The other trail is just a viewing platform. This is a bridge. And you can see the Waterfall. It's this one. The miserable one. How small is that? That's incredibly small. This bridge can only hold like 10 people, so yeah. Oh, it's shaking. That's a small waterfall. Okay, so this one is Waterfall. It's just on the opposite side of Waterfall. Yeah, I'm still on the bridge. Look, some people are underneath it. Let's go. Okay, it's just been 30 seconds. There's another bridge. Whee! Sorry, my filming's horrible when I'm running, obviously. There's a stream there. Noise. It's more clear on the other side, but there's a lot of poles blocking it. Let's go! And just like that, we're there. This all. The heck is this? The bridge is literally there. It's a little tunnel thing. Oh, so scared. It was a spider thing. I'm not scared of spiders, but it just jumped on my head. My hand. So yeah. And let's keep going. I can see we're almost there. And oh, there's another cave thing. Well, it's probably not called a cave, I assure you. Oh, my aunt's calling me. Hello! Hello! Hello, everybody! Hello! I just told my aunt and my uncle take a photo. They look like ants. They literally look like ants. Look at them. This is the photo I took of them. It looks horrible. Look what it is.
I see the waterfall. Oh my. Yep, we're going past that. It's a bit tight. Oh, this is actually like a cave. There's people there. That means we're here. Oh, there's water dripping. We're here, everybody.
Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. We're here. Nice. I don't know if they like being filmed. Probably not. I'll turn off the camera. Yep, we're really close to it. There's probably a lot of weird noises from the waterfall, but that's alright, I guess. The view is pretty cool though. Do you think I should cross? Alright, I'm doing this for you guys. Woo! Woo! Wow, that was absolutely great filming. Jesus Christ, what was I doing? Oh, I'm on the other side. Which leads to nothing. Zero. Nothing. Nice. I just got my stuff for nothing. Yay. Well, if I want to come here, then I'll have to go back. Somehow. I'm gonna get wet even more. Ow. I just hit my head. If you want to know some information about the Waterfall, then you can read this. It's a pretty cool waterfall, this one. That cliff stuff was pretty cool. Look at that. And that is the end of this video. I know my filming was horrible, but oh well. Bye.